Again with you, I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave.
Let's just get started. And I actually received a package from the Third Eye. They so kindly sent me some of their products to try out. They sent me some stickers, that's so cute. They sent me 4 contacts. I got it in HD brownness, which is basically lighter brown. This one is in Queen Blue, Ocean Gray, and Real Khaki. Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna go with the green ones. I think I'll just try on all of them when I'm done my makeup. Since my skin's kind of breaking out at the moment, I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. I don't know if it's just because my eyesight is bad, but my skin looks pretty good. So I'm actually going to use an eyeshadow that I've been using since like 8th grade, and I use this one for my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Take the color Puree and just put that all over my lids. Next, liner. I'm going to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Oh my god! Okay, I think we got it. I think a little bit of my highlighter in the center. Okay, anyways, we'll just go with these. Okay, I'm gonna use some hoola bronzer to kind of contour my nose a bit. Also, the lashes I use are actually custom made when I went to a beauty academy in San Francisco last year, so you can't really buy it anywhere. And using an e.l.f. bronzing brush.
And visualize seeing yourself as
Okay, so I'm just gonna use the Milani powder blush in the color blossomtime rose.
Saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that
Let me put some highlight on. I remember highlight was such a big thing in like 2015, 2016. And now people are obsessed with blush, and I'm happy with that.
I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years.
And I'm also gonna put some in the inner corners.
Dated at Thanksgiving 1995.
I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Natural Lip Pencil, which I need to sharpen. Here. So I think that's the makeup done. So, it's weird. I'm gonna go change and we're gonna finish up the look. Okay. Oof. Oh shit, my coffee. Forgot I still had it. Is it so good? Nope. I guess I was holding my hair funny. I'm going to do that like tattoo trick thing that I saw on TikTok, I think like last summer. But basically I have my tattoos here that I've sprayed with an alcohol-based perfume. I just used one I don't even use. I sprayed both sides of the tattoo and then I just put it in cool water for a couple minutes. And we're gonna see how this turns out. I'm kind of scared. Hopefully this will work. I also got some small tattoos for my hands. Oh, I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, ABGs, you know, they have like false lashes, acrylic nails. Obviously, nail salons are closed, so I did my nails at home by myself, and really pretty neon, or I guess just neon pink and purple. And then they also wear hoop earrings, which I have. I think I got these from either Claire's or Forever 21. these are huge. I'm gonna put these on after the tattoos. They also have dyed hair. I dyed my hair brown like a couple months ago to do the dragon tattoo, obviously right here. I have to spray it again with more perfume and I have to spray myself with perfume. I used this video as a reference. You can go watch the full thing in the description if you want. I'm really hoping this works. Can you see that? Okay, it's been a few minutes. Oh, I don't think it worked. Oh, I think it did. It worked! Oh, but do y'all see that? Sorry, I thought I would have to. Whoa. I'm just like applying pressure until it dries. My hands are probably gonna smell like vanilla after this, so if you are gonna use a perfume, make sure it's one that like doesn't have a strong scent. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sweating. This is making me nervous. Should I put like translucent powder on top of it to make it set? Will that work? I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Walk It setting powder thing. So now I can do this as well. And then the clouds are kind of faded too. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. I love hand or like finger tattoos. I think I got a paper cut on my thumb and I didn't realize it till now. Ow, ow, ow. I think I do. Ow. Dude, check me out. Can you see my paper cut? Oops. And then lastly, oh shit, who is she? Oh god. Yeah, this is not me at all. I feel like if I went out like this in public, I'm wearing sweatpants right now. If I went out like this in public, I'll probably have people staring at me, but I don't know. I feel like I'll be okay with it because I feel confident, honestly. Just got back from getting boba. This is not milk tea, but this is a peach fruit tea from Bamboo with 25% sugar and like ice, and there's some little fruit bits and boba in here as well. And I think these are basil seeds as well, so okay. But it's actually a really good drink. I love peach tea, if you guys don't know. As you can see, I'm not wearing any contacts because first of all, I wore my prescription contacts to get boba because I need eyesight to see, but also because I wanted to try out the other contact lenses for you guys. I'm gonna try on HD Brownness, and I have already put it in their little cases. I feel like it really enhances dark brown eyes like mine. Queen Blue. Again, I also put it in a little case. Okay, why did I say it like that? You see the difference? This one's pretty. Oh, yes. The gray ones. This is in Ocean Gray. That was Ocean Gray, and then to finish off the video, I'm gonna wear the one I wore from the beginning, Real Khaki. They're pretty comfortable. You just have to make sure that they're really moist with contact solution before you put on your eye. I feel like the only thing me and Navy Juice have in common is our love for boba. So that concludes the video. I hope you all enjoyed it and see me transform into an ABG. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos by me. You already know the drill. That's it. I love you all.